Hello, Nicomatic sales team. This is Phil. Today we're going to talk about Flat Flex Cable and Flat Flex Cable Solutions. When we talk about cable, we're talking about standard Flat Flex cable, the commodity type product, which would be N for ZIFs and for soldering directly to boards. Some of the production facilities, some of our know-how, some of our unique capabilities, a little bit of marketing, and then we're going to talk a little bit about controlled impedance cables. First, when we talk about standard FFC cables, we're talking about pitches, and pitches is defined as the space between center of conductor to the one next door to it, from 0.5 millimeter pitch to 2.54 millimeter pitch, which is 100 thousandths. We have configurations that include these numbers P3 through P8, and they describe end preparations for either ZIF or lift connectors, which is the P3 or P5, or direct soldering to the PCB, which is like P7 or P8. Both of those have exposed tin-plated conductors that go directly to boards or glass, things like that. Our part numbering system takes a custom length pin count and then makes it into a standard flat flex cable design. So we start off with the first 3 digits as the pitch, so defined as 3 digits. The end preparation, P3, and there are a lot of different variations. I don't want to tie you down to just these. And we can also intermingle end preparations. I can have a ZIF on one ender and put a P7 on the other. We have a lot of different capabilities. Pin counts, defined in 2 digits. The conductor size, and each conductor size married to the pitch. We don't want to mess this around too much. So if you're talking about a 1 millimeter pitch, it's the letter D. If you're talking about a 0.5 millimeter pitch, the letter K. There are other variations. Length from end to end defined in millimeters in 4 digits, and then the exposed length with the stiffener, the exposed length being 5 millimeter for 1 millimeter and 10 millimeter stiffener on each side, left side, then right side. We'll get to the rest of this in part 2.